Panel demounting is a two-person job. One person gently pulling one side of the panel outwards using suction lifters. One person unzipping the panel clip from the retaining rail with the use of the Trimawall demounting tool. Place the angled head facing into panel that requires demounting. Push the tool into the panel gap. Continue pushing the tool in straight, rather than levering the panels apart. The demounting tool will then push the panel clip away from the arrow head when a slight twist is applied. The second person can then gently pull out the panel using the suction lifter while the tool remains pushed in. Let's see that again.